Hello guys, I am back with another unboxing. I really didn't know I was going to have another unboxing. I did this week for fuel earlier. It arrived over the weekend. And then as I went to my mail, I got a box from Charming Cheshires. So I'm back up here in my office doing another unboxing. Charming Cheshires. And I love Charming Cheshires, but I haven't ordered in a while, only because I know that you guys have heard this a million times. I'm looking for the sales. So when I see something's on sale, I'll place an order. All right. Let's see if I have an invoice in here. I do have their card. And it looks like she sent me something. Please try Autumn Fox and Monster Blood. Oh, this is it. This is the first thing I pulled out. I do love me a nice autumn type bath bomb. This one says, oh, it doesn't just have a scent on it. It just says autumn. I guess it's the autumn is the scent. Super cute. Charming Cheshires is the company that, I'm just going to leave that mess down there, introduced me to Just Fairy Fizzies, who made that bath bomb buoy. So I am forever thankful to Charming Cheshires for introducing me to that, because I love it. Oh, yes! I don't see an invoice in here, so I can't tell you. But most of the stuff that I bought was on sale. This is the Tiki, and it's scented in Tangaroa, I believe. And I was just waiting on this one to go on sale. I'd seen it before, and I was like, yeah, well, I'm going to go ahead and order it whenever there was a sale, and I didn't see a sale yet. So now it's on sale. I guess all the summer stuff is on clearance. But I kept checking back on the page. It looks like a little sample of maybe, I think this is, oh, this bag is torn up. I think this is soap. Oh, I think it's whipped soap. See, look at it. It's so thick. It's pretty much whipped soap, I'm sure. It's like the texture of marshmallow. Love it. What else do we have here? I'm making a mess. All her little biodegradable peanuts are falling all over the place. All right, then we had, oh yeah, I had to get, I don't think this was on sale. I just had to get it because I hadn't seen one like this. This is, I guess it's Twilight Flight. It's either the name or the name of the scent. One or the other. But I loved it because it had bats, and I had not seen one like this in a cloud shape before with bats on it. I love it. All right, what's next? Another one that was on sale. Caged Heart. This just got to be just the name of the bath bomb. Caged Heart. I was considering moving to just doing spooky bombs from now on till forever. Only ordering exclusively from spooky bombs shops or places that sell spooky bombs all year round. But I just think that might not be doable, only because there's not that many that are doing it, and then you guys would get tired of seeing me, you know, do reviews on the same bath bombs, and what fun is that? So I'm still on the fence. I only want to do spooky bombs. They're the only things that really inspire me when I'm doing the reviews and I'm adding my little images and stuff like that. They inspire me. And regular bath bombs are fun and they're nice in the tub, but they just don't give me the same inspiration because all year round creepy girl. All right, so this one is called Red, White, and Blueberry. Of course, it also was on sale. The sale girl. I think I did the sale and then I made sure that I ordered enough to get free shipping. And the reason for that is, as I've mentioned before, COVID has got my business on total shutdown. So until I get a job or my business picks back up, I am pretty much tight on my money. All right, so this one is, it's just a little turtle. There's no name on it. There's no scent on it. But he is super cute. I've seen this before. I've seen this before done by another company. And it was in pink sugar. And then it was pink with gold shimmer all over. Oh my gosh, it was so beautiful. But I like the shape because I've had that other pink turtle various times. And I like this one. So I ordered it. Plus, it was on sale. So can you hear me say that yet? I think there's one more. No, two more. Another one that was on sale. I think I only bought one that wasn't on sale. Alright. This one is super cute. This is Hello Summer, as we're saying goodbye to summer. So pretty. Oh, is that gardenia I smell? Whatever it is, it smells amazing. And then, finally, make sure I'm not missing anything at the bottom. No, I think I got them all. This one I just got. It was on sale, true enough, but it was just so super cute as well. Kakamora. So cute. Am I holding it right? I can't even tell because the flashes in my eyes. So forgive me if I'm not holding it right because I'm blinded right now. By the end of my videos, I'm always blinded because I want you guys to see the shimmer, so I always put the flash on. But anyway, that's Kakamora. Then we had the Hello Summer. And the turtle. How cute is he? We had the Tiki in Tangaroa. I'm so glad I got one of these. I thought she would sell out. I've bought this shape before from other people, and they usually sell out. I'm glad she didn't. I'm glad she at least had one left. Red, white, and blueberry. Caged heart. She sent me this autumn fox. Also sent me this body wash, not body wash, whip soap. Whip soap. And then finally, this gorgeous Twilight Flight, which again, I'll mention was not on sale. I just had to have it. All right, guys, that's it for Charming Cheshires on Etsy. Is this Monster Blood? Is that what this is? I'm confused. Please try Autumn Fox and Monster Blood. Maybe this is Monster Blood. I'm assuming. And this is her card. And again, on Etsy, etsy.com, Charming Cheshires. All right, guys, that's it for this amazing box. And I'm going to have to use these soon because using these in the middle of fall might not be the look. Who the heck cares? Anyway, that's it. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.